sale, I got a 67 Corvette, red with black interior. Dealer installed air conditioning and power steering. It's got a 327 built to the 1967 350 horsepower specs. Rally wheels, nice chrome, very nice paint. I'll point out the flaws as I go. Four-speed transmission, black interior, black convertible top. Getting a couple of raindrops now. I'm going to try and get this done real quick before the car gets any more drizzled on. Headlights work, gauges work, taillights work. Oh, it's raining earlier than I wanted it to. Car looks really good. There's a little tiny little poked hole in the top right there. It's really coming down now. I don't have a coat on. Oh, I noticed a little tiny chip right there. It almost looks like this headlight kind of sags a tiny bit. That can be fixed. A little seam there, typical. Another tiny one, and another tiny one. And a little bit of chipping here. Other than that, the paint looks awesome. So, there you have it. I'll do the driving video now. Stay tuned.